Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So it is August and that means it's tomato season, and for many Italians we'll be turning these beautiful tomatoes and making them into some tomato sauce, and I'll show you how it's all done. When it comes to making tomato sauce, you will find that so many people have a different method and a different recipe, but this is the way my family does it, and I'll show you along our adventure. First thing first, we gotta make sure we grab the right tomatoes. We have a mix of Roma and San Marzano tomatoes, and we have about 7 bushels. We have all our equipment ready, and here's all our jars ready to be placed with some basil, so we put about a handful in each. This is the part that most people do differently, so sometimes they'll cut up the tomatoes, but lately we've just been boiling them whole, and then we take them out and then we put them through the machine. Once the tomatoes are done boiling, we put them in this large tub and then we start with the machine. So one person will be in charge of scooping the tomatoes and pressing them through the machine and making sure it's all getting through, and then another person at the side will be scraping away all the skins, making sure none of them get into the tomato sauce itself, and just making sure there's no backup of tomato sauce. Now that the tomato sauce is done boiling, we added salt, and now it's time to finally jar everything up. So everything was cleaned before, so now we just pour in the tomato sauce with the basil and we seal them up nice and tightly, and then the rest is history. Here are our finished products, and now it's time to cook up a fresh sugo. Everything turned out so delicious. Look how beautiful. We made some fresh homemade gnocchi and everything was perfect. Felt like I was back in Italy. So thank you for coming along this journey with me. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.